Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड दिस इज़ माय चैनल एंड पोर वीडियो। भाई ये हमारा 4वां वीडियो है, आप लोग देख सकते हो। भाई सब लोग वीडियो को लाइक करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और शेयर करो। भाई आज जो हमारा टॉपिक जो है वो किसी चॉइस पर है। हमारा टॉपिक आज जो है भाई ये है एंजाइम। हमारा टॉपिक टुडे है बायोलॉजी का और एंजाइम। ओके, एंजाइम तो क्या है भाई? Enzyme are protein. Enzyme एक protein है and their function is determined by their complex structure. The reaction takes place in a smaller part of the enzyme called the ectiocyte, or while the rest of the protein act as framework. The amino acid around the ectiocyte attach to the substrate molecule and hold it in position while the reaction takes place. This makes the enzyme specific for one reaction only, as other molecules will not fit into the ectiocytes. वही enzyme mood of enzyme action का अपना जो एक mood है। Following two hypotheses explain mood of enzyme action। ये एक two hypothesis है, वो मुझे ये बयान करता है mood of enzyme। लॉक एंड की हाइपोथेसिस, इसमें पहला जो है वो है लॉक एंड की हाइपोथेसिस और दूसरा है इंड्यूस पेट हाइपोथेसिस। इसमें सारा एंजाइम मूड एक्सप्लेन होती है। पहले है लॉक एंड की हाइपोथेसिस, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। Picture एक scientist in 1890 suggested that each enzyme had a particular shape into which the substrate fit exactly. This was known as the lock and key hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, the substrate is imagine like a key while the enzyme is imagine like a lock. As one specific key can open only a one specific lock. Now, similarly, a specific enzyme can break up only one specific substrate. Now, the ichtyocyte is regarded as a rigid structure that does not modify or change during the reaction process. Now, however, later studies did not support this hypothesis in all type of reaction, and therefore the hypothesis was modified into induced pit hypothesis. Induced pit hypothesis क्या है? दूसरा है induced pit hypothesis. The attraction of the substrate and an enzyme form an enzyme substrate complex. It was originally referred to as the lock and key enzyme theory. The current theory suggests that the enzyme molecules are in inictioform. To become ichtyocyte, they must undergo a slight change in structure to more spatially accommodate the substrate. It is said to be induced bit substrate। उनको हम कहते हैं। ये दोनों टॉपिक्स थी। तीसरी है रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म। एंजाइम का अपना रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म होती है। तीसरी वेक्टर इफेक्ट, जो कुछ असरात होती है किस पर? एंजाइम की रिएक्शन पर, उनकी रफ्तार पर। पहले इसमें है टेम्परेचर। Enzyme work best at an optimum temperature. Enzyme present in mammal work best at about 40 degrees C. Animal present in different environment are adapted to range of temperature. For example, enzyme of the erected snowplia work at -10 degrees C, varies in thermophilic bacteria. Enzyme work at a temperature of 90 degrees C. Up to the optimum temperature, the rate increases geometrically with temperature. It's curve, not a straight line. Now, the rate increases because the enzyme and substrate molecule both have more kinetic energy, so collide more often. And also because more molecule has sufficient energy to overcome the greatly reduced activation energy. The increase in rate with temperature can be qualified as 10 degrees C, which is the relative increase for 10 degrees C rise in temperature. दूसरी है इसमें पीच का असर होती है। पीच वैल्यू आप लोग को पता है, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट पीच है। एंजाइम have an optimum pH at which they work fastest। एंजाइम का एक ऑप्टिमम पीच होती है, उसमें वो फास्टेस्ट वर्क करती है। For most enzymes, this about pH 7 to 8 physiologically pH of most cells. But a few enzyme can work at extreme pH such as protease enzyme in animal stomach, which have an optimum pH 1. The pH affects the charge of the amino acid and the ichthyosite more specially change. ओके राजिया यार शोर बहुत यार है देखो को भाई लाइक करो सब्सक्राइब करो शेयर करो ये था हमारा लास्ट वीडियो इंशाल्लाह अगले वीडियो में आप लोगों से मुलाकात करता हूँ अस्सलाम